The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to bold ideas. From Bitcoin's inception to Ethereum's smart contracts, innovation has always been at the heart of this digital revolution. But every now and then a project comes along that really shakes things up, challenging the status quo and offering something truly unique. Pi Network, with its promise of mobile mining and financial inclusion, is one of those projects. Launched by a team of Stanford graduates, Pi Network aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just those with deep pockets or technical expertise. The concept is simple, yet revolutionary, allowing users to mine Pi coins directly from their smartphones. This means that anyone with a mobile device can participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem without the need for expensive hardware or high electricity costs. For years, people have been buzzing about Pi. The excitement is palpable, as users from all over the world have been mining on their phones, inviting friends, and eagerly awaiting the day Pi would hit the big time. The community has grown exponentially, with millions of users joining the network. They've been mining on their phones, inviting friends, and eagerly awaiting the day Pi would hit the big time. The anticipation has been building, and now, that day has arrived. Pi Network is no longer just a concept or a dream, it has become a reality. Well, that day has arrived. The recent launch of Pi Network's Open Mainnet marks a pivotal moment in its journey. This milestone signifies that Pi is ready for broader adoption and real-world use. Moving beyond the confines of its initial testing phase, Pi Network is all about making cryptocurrency accessible. It lets everyday people mine Pi coins using their smartphones. No need for fancy equipment or tons of electricity. The goal? To create a cryptocurrency that everyone can use regardless of their background or financial status. It lets everyday people mine Pi coins using their smartphones. No need for fancy equipment or tons of electricity. This approach democratizes the mining process, allowing more people to participate and benefit from the cryptocurrency revolution. No need for fancy equipment or tons of electricity. The goal? To create a cryptocurrency that everyone can use. It's a lofty goal, but Pi Network has been making waves. The simplicity and accessibility of Pi Network have attracted a diverse user base, from tech enthusiasts to everyday smartphone users. The goal? To create a cryptocurrency that everyone can use. It's a lofty goal, but Pi Network has been making waves. Millions of users have joined the network, creating a vibrant and passionate community. This community is the backbone of Pi Network, driving its growth and adoption. It's a lofty goal, but Pi Network has been making waves. Millions of users have joined the network, creating a vibrant and passionate community. The recent launch of Pi Network's Open Mainnet marks a pivotal moment in its journey. This milestone signifies that Pi is ready for broader adoption and real-world use, moving beyond the confines of its initial testing phase. Millions of users have joined the network, creating a vibrant and passionate community. The recent launch of Pi Network's Open Mainnet marks a pivotal moment in its journey. This milestone signifies that Pi is ready for broader adoption and real-world use, moving beyond the confines of its initial testing phase. The future looks bright for Pi Network, as it continues to innovate and expand its reach. The recent launch of Pi Network's Open Mainnet marks a pivotal moment in its journey. As Pi Network continues to grow and evolve, it remains committed to its mission of making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. The journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. The path to mainnet wasn't a sprint for Pi Network, it was a marathon. From the very beginning, the journey was marked by careful planning, relentless effort, and a vision that extended far beyond the immediate horizon. Unlike many projects that rushed to launch, Pi Network took a different approach, understanding that building something truly revolutionary requires time and patience. Launched in 2019, Pi Network spent its early years in development. The initial phase was crucial as it laid the groundwork for everything that would follow. The team was dedicated to creating a robust and scalable platform that could handle the demands of a growing user base. This phase was all about building a solid foundation. The developers worked tirelessly, coding and brainstorming to ensure that every aspect of the network was secure and efficient. They knew that any weaknesses at this stage could jeopardize the entire project. The team focused on refining the mobile mining process and growing the user base. They introduced innovative features that made mining accessible to everyone, not just those with expensive hardware. This democratization of mining was a key factor in Pi Network's early success. They knew that a strong community would be key to Pi's success. Building a network of engaged and enthusiastic users was just as important as the technical development. The team invested heavily in community building activities, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose among users. During this time, the Pi Core team provided regular updates. Transparency was a cornerstone of their strategy. They believed that keeping the community informed would build trust and encourage more people to join the network. They kept the community informed about progress. Through social media, video conferences, and regular blog posts, the team shared their milestones, challenges, and future plans. This open communication helped maintain a high level of engagement and excitement. They also actively sought feedback. User feedback sessions, focus group discussions, and community meetings were held regularly. This two-way communication ensured that the network was evolving in a way that met the needs and expectations of its users. This helped them shape the development of the network. By incorporating feedback into their development process, the team was able to make continuous improvements and adjustments. This iterative approach was crucial for refining the platform and ensuring its long-term success. This period of steady growth and development culminated in a significant milestone: the launch of Pi Network's enclosed mainnet in December 2021. This was not just a technical achievement but a testament to the dedication and hard work of the entire Pi community. The journey to mainnet was long and challenging, but it laid a strong foundation for the future. February 20th, 2025, is a date that will forever be etched in the history of Pi Network. This was the day Pi Network transitioned from an enclosed mainnet to an open mainnet. It was a huge leap forward. This transition meant that Pi was finally ready to spread its wings and take flight in the wider world of cryptocurrency. The open mainnet launch was a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Pi Core team. It also showed the unwavering belief of the Pi community. But what did this launch actually mean for Pi Network and its users? In simple terms, it meant that Pi was now open for business. The launch of the open mainnet paved the way for Pi to be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges. This was a game changer. Now, users could buy, sell, and trade Pi, just like any other cryptocurrency. The initial exchange listings were met with a surge of excitement. People were eager to get their hands on Pi. As of today, April 9, 2025, Pi is listed on several major exchanges, including OKX, Gate.io, BitGet, and CoinDCX. This is a clear indication of the growing confidence in Pi Network's potential. These listings have injected Pi into the bustling world of cryptocurrency trading, allowing it to find its footing in the market. Section 5. The future of Pi price predictions and potential. With Pi now on the open market, one question is on everyone's mind: what's next for Pi? As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, investors and enthusiasts alike are keen to understand the potential trajectory of Pi. While predicting the future of cryptocurrency is notoriously tricky, several factors suggest that Pi has the potential to make a real impact. The unique approach of Pi Network, which focuses on accessibility and user engagement, sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. The current price of Pi hovers around 89 cents USD. This price point reflects its early stage in the market, but also hints at the potential for growth as more people adopt and use the currency. It's seen highs and lows as any young cryptocurrency does. Volatility is a common characteristic in the crypto world, and Pi is no exception. This volatility can be both a challenge and an opportunity for investors. Experts offer a wide range of price predictions. Some analysts are conservative, suggesting modest growth, while others are more optimistic, forecasting significant increases. Some believe Pi could reach $10 in the short term, driven by increased adoption and positive market sentiment, while others predict a surge to $25 or even higher in the long run. These long-term predictions are often based on the assumption that Pi Network will continue to grow its user base and expand its ecosystem. These predictions are based on several factors, including market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory developments, including the overall growth of the cryptocurrency market, which has seen exponential increases in recent years. The broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class can significantly influence Pi's price. The development of Pi Network's ecosystem, which includes the introduction of new features, partnerships, and technological improvements. A robust and active development team can drive confidence and interest in the currency, and of course the all-important supply and demand dynamics. As more people mine and use Pi, the demand could increase, potentially driving up the price. Conversely, if the supply outpaces demand, it could put downward pressure on the price. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to invest in Pi. Section 6. Navigating the challenges, regulation and verification. The road to cryptocurrency success is rarely smooth. Pi Network faces its share of challenges. One of the biggest is regulatory scrutiny. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. This uncertainty can create hurdles for projects like Pi. Another challenge is KYC verification. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process that verifies the identities of users. While KYC is essential for preventing fraud and ensuring compliance, it can also slow down adoption. Pi Network has made KYC verification a priority. They understand that a trustworthy and secure platform is crucial for long-term success. Section 7. The power of community. Pi Network's driving force. One of Pi Network's greatest strengths is its community. From the very beginning, the Pi Core team has prioritized community engagement. They've fostered a sense of shared purpose. This has created a loyal and enthusiastic following. The Pi Network community is incredibly active. This is evident in the lively discussions happening across various online platforms. This sense of community is more than just feel-good vibes. It's a powerful force that's driving Pi Network forward. Section 8. Staying ahead of the curve. Official channels and updates. The world of cryptocurrency moves fast. Things change quickly. For Pi Network users, staying informed is crucial. The best way to do this is to rely on official sources of information. The Pi Network website is a treasure trove of information. It provides updates on the project, technical explanations, and answers to frequently asked questions. The Pi Core team also uses social media platforms like Twitter to communicate directly with the community. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era for Pi Network. The launch of Pi Network's open mainnet has ushered in a new era for this ambitious project. Pi has taken its place on the global cryptocurrency stage. The journey ahead will undoubtedly be filled with both opportunities and challenges. One thing is certain, Pi Network is a project to watch. Its commitment to accessibility, its innovative approach to mining, and its passionate community have positioned it as a potential disruptor in the world of finance. The future of Pi Network is unwritten, but one thing is for sure, the journey